What's going on, guys? Mix It here, back again for another Christmas cocktail. And today's Christmas cocktail, as I said last week, it is the Jack Frost cocktail. Let's get straight into this. It's a simple one to make. It's 4 ingredients. So you got your rum, pineapple juice, a blue curacao, and of course your creamy coconut. So it's quite easy to make. It's just coconut milk mixed in with sugar. Like I say, you can use a hot stove to mix it in, or even better way to get it to dissolve the sugar. I always use a blender. I find it quicker and more efficient. That's my way of doing it. So let's get straight into it. So get your cocktail shaker, put in 45 ice cubes. So the first ingredient to go into a shaker, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of a white rum. The next is 45ml or 1.5 ounce of a pineapple juice. I'm using Tropicana. Next, 30ml, 1 ounce of blue curacao. So last, to go to a shaker, guys, is 2 tablespoons of cream of coconut. So it's about 5ml for a tablespoon, so 10ml, so a third of an ounce.
We're well equipped in my house.
How's that for efficiency? But it's homemade as well, my cream of coconut. Put your lid on now. Make sure it's nice and secure. Now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. And there we go, one Jack Frost cocktail. How does it taste? Because I saw this recipe and I must admit, I saw it on TikTok, I liked it that much, but I'm going to make a recreation of that.
Shout out TikTok.
No, shout out to TikTok. How does it taste? I like it. I like it a lot. It's very nice. The thing that makes it is the cream of coconut, just sweets it up, and it has that very nice balance, especially mixed in with the white rum and pineapple juice. I think if I want perfection, only critique is I think I'd have less pineapple juice in it. That'd be my only thing. But other than that, it's a very nice recipe and I certainly recommend it. So that, my friends, is a Jack Frost cocktail. So what do you guys think of it? Do let me know in the comments below. So any recommendations for the Christmas cocktails or any holiday cocktails, do let me know in the comments below. Or any challenges as well for me if you want me to try, as we are a little bit mad on this channel. But I've been Mixed. This has been the Jack Frost cocktail. And if you're new around here, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It for more Christmas cocktails like this. And I will see you guys for the next Christmas cocktail. Cheers. But it's homemade as well, my cream of coconut. But
Makes it sound like you've just been wanking.
We don't have dirty mans on Mixed.
Fuck me, how big's that load? No, not November.
I failed.
That's a great outside that's going in.